الله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة صدق الله العظيم اللهم صل على محمد في أول كلامنا اللهم صل على محمد في أوسط كلامنا اللهم صل على محمد في آخر كلامنا. In the name of Allah Almighty, who is most merciful and gracious, who give us the power of speaking, my respected teachers, dear brothers and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Markaz Ahlus Sunnah wal Jamaat for providing us such wonderful environment. And the topic which is declared to me is that the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My dear listeners, the Prophet's life is an ideal for us. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran, Juz 21, verse 21, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. The Prophet's life is the best example for you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala started the chain of messengers and the prophets for publishing the religion of Islam in all over the world. And the last link of this chain, our respected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet's life is an ideal for us, but everyone wants to become the successful personality of the world. Then we have come to read the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because we can get all kind of information from the Prophet's life. If we want information about action, we have to read the life of Holy Prophet. If we want information about ethics and beliefs, we have to read the life of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, the Prophet's guidance is available for everyone, every field of life and every time. Now, we should follow the teaching of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There are many reasons for this. Firstly, we got existence due to Holy Prophet. It is also a requirement that we should follow the teaching of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And secondly, we are the ummah of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is also a requirement that we should follow the teachings of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And thirdly, the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the most successful personality of the world, and it has been acknowledged by the non-Muslim as well. It is also followed by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But the problem of today is that every one of us wants to become the successful personality of the world. He wants to get wealth and health and fame. But this person is not ready to follow the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This person is not ready to follow the teaching of the companions of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I would like to say that, O people of world, if you want to become the successful personality of the world, if you want to get health and wealth, you should follow the teachings of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You must have followed the teachings of the companions of the sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And I am thanking to Allah Almighty, who made me a student of such this institute, where we not get only knowledge, but we also learn a role in practical life. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed such institute, where we learn actions and beliefs and ethics. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed my mentor and my respected teacher, Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghuman. And I would like to conclude my speech with some words of gratitude towards my teachers and towards this institute. May Allah bless this institute and continue the grace of my respected teacher, Maulana Muhammad Ilyas Ghuman, until the day of judgment. Thanks for listening.